Now that you've been using Wikidata for a while, you probably are wondering how you can get help if you have some kind of problem. In this module, we'll talk about several different ways that you can get help. Every page on Wikidata potentially has another page associated with it called its talk page. If you click on the Discussion tab at the top of the page, you'll either be taken to an existing talk page or be prompted to create one. Now, most Wikidata items don't have enough traffic to already have a talk page, but many users do. So, when you see a username link on a talk or history page, you can click on that link to go to that person's user page. Alternatively, you can go directly to a user's page by typing user, and the user's name in the search box. So, if we click on the Discussion tab, we can ask a question or leave a message for this user. We'll edit the page and then type our message. Then we'll add 4 tildes. By adding 4 tildes to the end of the message, we automatically sign and date it. And this is a very common method of communication in the Wikidata world. A very general place to go for help is to click on the Help link in the left-hand bar. The Help page links to many other pages that provide help on subjects for beginners. And the Frequently Asked Questions or FAQ page is available in many languages that you can select at the top of the screen. We can also find help here in the project chat. On this page, you can ask a question or bring up something you'd like to discuss, and there's a good chance that someone will respond to it fairly quickly. To ask a question, click Start New Discussion. And we can ask our question here. Now, if you need to use any special kind of markup, there are buttons that you can click to format your writing. But usually for a simple question, all you need to provide is plain text. However, when you're done, you should sign your name with the 4 tildes so that people know who asked the question. And if you just want to practice to see how this works, instead of clicking Publish Changes, we can click Show Preview. And now, we'll get a preview of what our question will look like. You can then click Cancel if you don't really want to submit a question. If you ask a question, you can check back on this page in a few days to see if there are any responses. Or you can also click Watch This Page, the checkbox. Depending on how you have set up your preferences, you may receive an email if someone responds. Of course, you would have to add an email to your account in order to receive those messages. You'll find that most people who edit Wikidata are very friendly and are happy to help beginners, so don't be afraid to ask for help.